back to my channel. I'm Ritu Kapoor. Today I'm going to unbox and review a very different kind of a subscription box. It's a dry fruit subscription box and the name of the subscription box is Ottimo Hub. So this is the box which I've got. Let's just quickly unbox it and see what all it has. But before that, let me tell you that they have two different variants. The first one is this one. The second one is a mini edition. The price for this one is 850 rupees. And let me tell you, in this you will be receiving dry fruit, but not the plain one. In this you will receive flavored dry fruits and the flavors are super interesting, which I will be showing you. But before that, let me tell you that I've got this box through Scriberr. And by now, I guess you must be knowing what is Scriberr. So Scriberr is a website, super amazing website actually. So they have, on this website, you can buy almost all the subscription boxes and they have some discount codes all the time, so you can save actually a lot of money. Then they have COD options. So this website has multiple benefits, and this time on the occasion of Diwali they have come up with a contest. And in this contest, let me just tell you what is there, what you have to do. So simply, you don't really have to do anything. Whenever you're buying anything worth ₹499, you will get a chance to spin the wheel. And the best part about this contest is whenever you are spinning the wheel, you will get something, because there are a short gift on every spin. Now let me tell you the best part about this contest is the prizes are worth up to 1 lakh rupees, which is huge, I guess, because frankly, you are not really doing anything. You're just buying a box of your choice for yourself, and in addition, you are getting a chance to spin the wheel. And if you are lucky enough, you will be getting actually very big prizes. And if you're not, still you will be getting some prize, which is the best part about this contest, I guess. So yes, I'm totally loving it, and that's why I'm telling you this. Don't worry, I will be mentioning the link in the description box so you guys can check it, and I would suggest, yes, you should play this contest. Now let's come back to the box, which is Ottimo Hub this time, and I'm really looking forward to this one. So this is the box, and it comes with this magnetic closing box, and then this is the inside, and you can just see 3 jars here. So first one is cashew and the flavor for that is barbecue. Then the second one is almond and the flavor for that is cranberry. And the third one is resin and the flavor for that, the flavor for that is shahi pan masala. So let's start with the first one. The first one is cashew and the flavor is barbecue. So cute little jar here, and this is how you open it, and then this is how it looks. Let me just eat one and then I will be telling you the taste. Then it's really nice. Okay, on this jar, okay, first let me eat. Okay, so the price for this one is 235 rupees for 100 gram, and let me tell you, the taste is super amazing. The flavor is actually like barbecue. So I personally don't really like cashews so much. I don't know why. I like almonds, but not cashews. But if I get cashews like this, like in some different flavor, I will definitely love to have cashews. So yes, love it. And it has all the nutrition value here and the ingredients here, which is the best part, because everything is mentioned here on the box. On the other side, they have mentioned the prices, the gram and everything, the detail about the company and everything. So yeah, this is the first one. Now let's move on to the second one. The second one is almond. So this is how it looks, and the flavor is cranberry. So this is how it looks, and the fragrance is super amazing. The price for this one is 260 rupees for 125 grams. And then again, it has ingredient and nutrition value here. In detail, everything is there. And cranberry, it's a bit sweet. So I don't really love it, but it's different. So I like it. Now, moving on to the last one. The last one is resin. And this is, the flavor is shahi pan masala. So for this, yes, I'm looking forward for this one because sounds nice. I love pan. Sometimes I'm not a big fan of pan flavor. But yes, I'm looking forward for this one. So this is how it looks. And the fragrance is so amazing. The flavor Yes, actually it's smelling like Shahi Pan Masala. Super nice. My first favorite in the box for sure. This flavor is super nice. The price for this one is 195 rupees for 150 grams. Again, all the details and everything is there on the box. So yes, this is the last jar. These are the 3 things which you will be receiving. And let me tell you, you won't be getting random flavors. You can select the flavors according to your choice. Or for me, this box is actually more like a gift pack. So rather sending sweets or let's say flowers or let's say chocolates to your loved ones, your family members, your friends, you can actually send this because this will be more healthier. This will be more interesting. So yes, I personally loved it. And right now Diwali is here, so I know this can be a perfect gifting option, and I'm sorted for my Diwali presents because yes, I love the concept and the flavors are super amazing. So yeah, that's all for today. I will see you in my next video. Till then, lots of love and bye bye.